strong in the rain, strong in the wind, strong against the summer heat and snow. He is healthy and robust, free from desire. He never loses his temper, nor the quiet smile on his lips. He eats 4 go of unpolished rice miso and a few vegetables a day. He does not consider himself in whatever occurs. His understanding comes from observation and experience, and he never loses sight of things. He lives in a little thatched roof hut in a field in the shadows of a pine tree grove. If there is a sick child in the east, he goes there to nurse the child. If there's a tired mother in the west, he goes to her and carries her sheaves. If someone is near death in the south, he goes and says, "Don't be afraid." If there are strife and lawsuits in the north, he demands that the people put an end to their pettiness. He weeps at the time of drought. He plods about at a loss during the cold summer. Everyone calls him blockhead. No one sings his praises or takes him to heart. That is the kind of person I want to be.